Salesforce objects and fields are analogies to database tables and the table columns. Objects and fields are structured data, for example, a spreadsheet. The term record in a Salesforce object is like a row in a spreadsheet. You will understand this with the help of one table. Now, here you see one table. The table name is student details. So in a Salesforce, this student details, this table name is a object name. The columns here you see name, email ID, mobile number, and address. These are fields in a Salesforce. And the details, the rows, like all these rows are called as a records in that object. So now you got understanding about what is Salesforce object, what is a fields, and what is a records with the help of this table. So now let's understand types of objects in a Salesforce. So there are two types of objects in a Salesforce. First one is a standard object and second one is a custom object. So what is exactly standard object? Objects already created for you by Salesforce are called standard objects. Example, accounts, contact, and opportunity. And on the other hand, the objects that you created in your organization with the user interface or with the metadata API are called a custom object. Example, student and the customer object. What are the field types? First field is a percent. It stores the percentage value. Next type is a phone. Phone numbers values can include the alphabetic characters. Client applications are responsible for phone number formatting. Next, we have a pick list. What is the use of this pick list type? Which includes a set of values from which one value can be selected. For example, you have a list. In our student case, we have a list of courses that student is currently purchased. So the course can be Java, Salesforce, Python, all that. So you can pick one option from that. Next, this reference field used to refer a value from a different table. It called as a cross reference to a different object. Next, we have a text area. It stores a multi-line text. For that purpose, we have this text area field. This multi-pick list, multi-select pick list, which include a set of values from which multiple values can be selected. For that reason, we have this multi-pick list field type. Okay, now we got the understanding of what is Salesforce object, what is fields, and what is records. Now let's see a demo in our Salesforce org. So in our case, we are going to create this student object and these fields. So let's see in a demo. So before we create a custom objects, first let's understand what is this standard objects. So I'm here currently in the sales application. This is app launcher. From here you can select or choose an app that you wanted. Okay, the sales app, you can see the tabs here like opportunity, lead, task, files, account, and so on. So these are standard objects. And once the object is created, when you have to see the details of those objects in a Salesforce, for that we create the tab. This called as a tab. This account is already open, Gen Point, and I will go to this details section. Here you will see the details like account owner who created this account, then the ratings, the phone, fax, all these details has been stored in this account. So account is used to store the details of a company. In the related, we will see the contacts is it is a reference field, we can say. Then this is a opportunity cases, you can add notes and attachments also in this. So this is about the standard objects. Now let's see and create our own custom objects. For that, click on this gear icon at the top right side of your screen and click on this setup. After that, in the setup, you will see this button object manager. Click on that. You will see this create button. Click on that and click on the first option and click on the first option custom object. Now here we will going to create our object. This interface you will see here we have to put all the details of our custom objects. Let me add the details. Label is a student, plural label is a students, object name is okay, we'll keep it as it is. We can add a description also here. This object is created to store the details of the student. When I scroll down, you will see this record name. Here you can have to create one field. In our case, we will create the student ID field, and this data type should be atom number. This is the format of the atom number. Starting number is 1. Okay, here you will see these options, optional features. So I'm allowing this, allow reports, allow activities. I will uncheck these others. And okay, deployment status is deployed, is correct. I'm allowing this allow search. And here also I'm checking this checkbox, add notes and attachments, and click on this to launch a new window from where we can create a tab for the student object. Click on the save. So the tabs automatically open, and from here you have to select this tab style. You can select anything. I'm picking up here anything randomly. Okay, yeah, it's done. You can click next. Here you have to add this tab to which profile you are going to add it. I'll keep it as it is as a default on, or you can change this also and click next. Okay, custom app. Which apps you want to add it. This is also I'm keeping as it is and click save. So now here your first object is created. Let's go and create some fields. For that, click on this new and I'm creating a first name. So first name is a text field. So choose a data type as a text and click next. Add a field label. First name. What should be the length? I'll keep it as a 50 and it's a required field. I'll make it as a required and that's it. Click on next. Click next. Save and new. Now we have to create another field. Last name. Again, choose text as a data type. Click next. Field name is a last name. Length is a 50 character. It's a required field, and hit next, next, and save and view. Now we will going to create this field, date of birth. It's a date field. Then select the date. Next, field label is date of birth. It's not required. I'm keeping it not required. Click next. Click next. Save and new. Gender. It is a pick list. Then select data type as a pick list. Click next. Gender. I'm adding a value here like male, female, and other. Make this as a required. Click next. Next. Save and new. Next, create this email field. Next, email. It's a required. Next, next. Save and new. Next is a phone number. Select phone as a data type. Click next. Phone number as field label. Make it required. Next. Next. Save and new. Next we have address field. Can make it as a long text area. Next. And next. Next. Save and new. Next we have code speed. It's multi-pick list. Next. Next. List label is course. Let me add the values. Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, Java, Python, and data science. Okay, we have all the values here. Click on the keep it as it is everything and just click on next. Click next. Save and new. Admission date. Admission date is a date. Okay, here is a date. That. Click next. Admission date. Click next, next, save and new. Student status. It is a pick list. So click on the pick list data type. Click next. Keep it. Add the values here. Click next, next, and save and new. This is a percent data type. Click next. Everything as it is. Click next, next, save and new. Next we have this fees paid. It's a currency, so we'll add it currency. Currency data type is selected. Next, fees paid. Next, click next, save and new. We have one last. It is next we have a field as total fee. It's a currency. Click next, total fees. Keep all the details as it is and click next. Next and save. So now the object is created, the fields are created. Now let's see our student objects. For that, go to this screen and refresh the page. And here you will see the student object is available. Click on that. Click on the new to create our first record. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.